Hey everybody, it's Neil, and check out what I have here. I have this like armband sleeve thing here to, I guess, protect your arms. And this is the instructions here. You can kind of see how to do it. So let's give this thing a try. So it looks like it comes like this, and it's got the Velcro straps. So if I want to put this on my forearm here or whatever, inside it's got a soft lining on the inside, which is kind of nice. So I can put this through there. I can put it on my arm up here or whatever, and put the strap through there, tighten it up however I want, and then it'll give me the support I need, I guess is kind of the concept of it. So that'll definitely hold it in there. So if you hurt yourself or whatever, I wonder what it does over on my elbow. It'll keep my arm straight, that's for sure. That's pretty funny. Okay, so really cool. Nice little one here. It seems to work good. It's made of nice, soft stuff here. The Velcro seems nice and strong. It's not going to come out, and it's really going to hold. Totally adjustable in the sizes here. It looks like I might have a large size here or something. I don't know. It said an L on it there. So, but it seems good. And got the little rubber logo on it there and everything. And nice and black, and does what it needs to do. So totally good. Thumbs up.